All right, guys, we got a 1998 Chevy Corvette. Really beautiful silver color. Got factory converters there. Then it's 2.5 inch pipe all the way back, and then we continued 2.5 inch on this side and this side out the back. And then he brought some bolt-on eBay mufflers that he purchased off eBay. There and there. He had those pipes come with it, but they didn't fit at all. Typical eBay stuff. So we had to make our own pipes for him, as you guys can see there and there, up over the rear axle and all that good stuff. And then we made them fit for him because it wasn't fitting at all. There's the quad tips on it. It was all hung down and just not fitting right at all. So we fixed it for him. It was ridiculous, like the customer states. But we made it. But now the customer's smiling and happy.
Come on down, get you some of this good stuff. Get some
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cold ice water go with it.
Yes, sir. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's the two intermediate pipes that we took off that didn't fit. Let you guys hear it in a second. Not bad. Not bad. Sounds good. It's a clean sound for a Corvette, you know? There's the sound decibels. Right at 101. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds beautiful. What do you guys think? I like it. It's subtle. It's not too much. It's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside.